What's called Curzon building in university.
We caught the train because we were going to go to Camden, but on the way we took the scenic route because we wanted to walk around a bit. And so from there, we took I can't remember if we took the bus or whatever we took. We did end up making our way near Camden. Before we went to Camden, we stopped inside of King's Cross. Like they have like a marketplace. And we walked through there, and like that's a really pretty mess hall. And they also have like a Samsung store in there that's interactive. And then they were having like a dance competition. We were there, and they have like a coffee shop and like really cool touchdown spaces. Like if you work remotely and you're in the London area, and that's something that you're looking for, like a really cool high tech space. There you go. It was vibes. I enjoyed it. It was super pretty. And the marketplace, and there's a lot of food around. Like a lot of things for kids to do. So we stopped there. That wasn't even on the itinerary. We were just walking, and we were like, okay, let's do that. Let's see what this is. So I recommend if you're in the King's Cross area and you're looking for a chill market, and also like the Christmas lights and things like that are super cute. And then after going that way, we made our way to Camden. Camden, I love. It's the hippie part of London. Hipster-ish, hippie, very inclusive area. That's not my first time at Camden.
There's a trick to this.
I always enjoy my time at Camden. As you guys saw, there was a lot. It's huge. It's kind of like Ponce City Market in Atlanta, Georgia, but much bigger, more cheaper, and a lot more diverse food options and vendors and things like that. We went there. I went ring shopping. I got a couple of presents for my little sister's birthday because she said she wanted something for London for her birthday. They had another one of the food halls that plays like music with the DJ. And so we sat there for a bit so he could use the bathroom. And then we left Camden and we went to Oxford Street.
We can go there. This way south is better for us.
Southbound Northern Line service via Bank.
I don't want to ruin my good streak.
You can't be scared. And we went to a marketplace there as well near Oxford Street. Well, we made our way to Oxford Street, but we just walked through the city and stopped at another Christmas market. I'll put the name on the screen. And they have an E. Ellen in there. That's like my favorite restaurant or my favorite coffee shop. I still have yet to go this time because all the E. Ellen inns we stopped by have been line out the door busy. And E. Ellen Inn is always that way because it's just such a picturesque coffee shop. It's pink, and women love pink. It's literally made for Instagram. It's the goal of this establishment is to be the most Instagrammable business for women who like coffee. And it, as you see, every time we go, there's line at the door. So we didn't stop there, but we did walk through the market, and there's a lot to do there as well. There's a lot of food you can eat there, a lot of nice restaurants you can sit down. You listen to live music. It's just like a very open air market that has a lot to offer, and we perused through that. And the Christmas lights and decor, like for the Christmas season in London is just stunning. I think because the country and like the city is so old, you get that mix of old and new. But like when you go to like the old parts, just seeing the display of the lights and the Christmas trees, it's just like walking through like a fairy tale wonderland. There's nothing like that in the States, like because our country is just not that old. Like there's buildings older than our country here. You're just not gonna, it doesn't hit the same. Being here, I'm like, oh, it's Christmas. Like, and the way they decorate it is just like this classic rich Christmas. Like my mom and sister are obsessed. My mom and my sister Danielle are obsessed with Christmas, and I feel like they need to come to the UK during Christmas. I feel like they would literally faint because it's just so pretty. And so like walking through the markets, and then like when we made it to Oxford Street and like seeing all of the lights, like, oh my gosh, it was so pretty. Overall, just a beautiful day. And so we ended the day at Cheap Meals, and Cheap Meals is like Chick-fil-A on steroids. Basically the UK's version of Chick-fil-A, except way better. It's so good. And so I ate that because I love it. That was my day. Super long, super fun, super Christmassy, super rich. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Political climate in America. If you're struggling mentally, you're not alone. If you're thinking about leaving this country, you also are not alone. Being someone that travels a lot and moves around a lot and sees the world and sees inclusivity in other places that are developed nations, and not even just developed, even like areas that aren't as developed and have more of an inclusive thought process, is just, it's disheartening to see how things have, the way things have come and where we are in my country. I will say America is a newer country. You know, we are a baby country. We just gained our independence. A lot of these countries over here in the old world are thousands of years old. We haven't even hit 1,000, even if you include when we were still a colony of the UK. Like we're not even 1,000 yet. We're still pretty new. You know, we're a new baby out here in the making. But I mean, we're in the age of the internet. So, I mean, I feel like sometimes you can't make excuses for things. Like, the knowledge is there, and it costs nothing to not be hateful. So, you know, but just know there are other places out there that love you and value you. And your race, your ethnicity, your gender, your identity doesn't really matter, you know? So, always hone into that. And I am very blessed. I feel very, very, very blessed, very grateful to God more than anything that I have been given the opportunity to have these experiences and be able to share it with you guys, to show you that like other places in the world are not dealing with what we're dealing with, and it's a breath of fresh air, honestly. And just because you grew up in one country or one environment or one place doesn't mean you have to remain there. It doesn't mean you have to stay there. It doesn't mean you have to keep those same thoughts and ideals and ideologies. It doesn't mean you have to be whatever it is that society is pushing you to be, if it's not serving you, you can leave. You can adopt a new philosophy. If it's harmful to you and you are suffering, you don't want to have to stay in that environment. Just know, like, where you are right now is not where you're going to end up. I love you guys. Thank you for 900 subscribers. Oh my gosh. 900 subscribers. 900 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for being there for me. It means the world to me, the entire world. We're almost there to 1,000, baby. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, push notification. LinkedIn and Travel Fund is in the description if you want to support me directly. I would love your support, but no pressure. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.